everybody. This is Abhish Agarwal from Jagdamba Pearls, Hyderabad. Welcome all to our channel of YouTube and Instagram. I hope you have liked our previous videos where we have showcased various collections in gold, diamond and pearls. Jagdamba Pearls is a fourth generation gold company which has focus on pearls, designer gold and designer diamond jewelry. We also have a website by the name of www.jpearls.com where you can log on and see entire variety collection in pearls, gold, diamond and silver. We give you delivery across India and the globe as well. We are also available on Flipkart and Amazon and Tata Click and other marketplaces where you can shop with ease. Rest assured with the quality and service because that's backed by the Jagdamba Pearls. Every item comes with certification guarantee. Today I brought to you an amazing range of diamond chokers set with emeralds and rubies of fine quality and specifically a designer collection. When it comes to buying of diamond jewelry, we always have a doubt in mind. What quality of diamond it is, is it the right price or not, क्या pricing सही है नहीं है. There's a lot of confusion. Every shopkeeper, every store owner or a brand corporate have different pricing for diamond. Somebody charging 45,000 rupees per carat, somebody 60, somebody 80, and somebody 90, and somebody based on MRP. Today I'll try to solve few of these problems with you by explaining you what you should look for before you buy a diamond. Look at here. Here's a small chart of diamond. When you buy a diamond, you have to look at four different aspects of a diamond: the shape, the cut, the color, and the clarity. Generally, in most of the diamond jewelry, the round shape, the marquee shape, and the palm shape are used. The cut, we always go for the round brilliant cut. A round brilliant cut means what? Is when a light reaches the diamond, how well the light reflects back from the diamond is based on its cut. If the cutting is weak, the diamond will look slightly dull. The next part comes color. Color means how white the diamond is. D, E, F are supposed to be the colorless white color diamond, while H, I, J slightly color will start coming up and K, L will completely be yellowish color. Then comes the clarity. Clarity means how clean the stone is. Whether the clean, whether the stone has inclusions or the spots or some black spots. Generally, here we always tend to use VVS quality of diamond, whereby they are very clean. Unless and until it's good designer, we always tend to go for VVS quality of diamonds. So once you have studied about the quality of diamond, wherever you buy diamond jewelry from any of the store, you ask them for a diamond certificate. Generally, all the jewelry at Jagdamba Pearls of Diamond is certified by a company called IGI, which is International Gemological Institute. Here is the certificate of that specific company. When you buy jewelry, this is the certificate that you get. Here is the company name. Then you have the summary, that is the certificate number, the description of the product, what exactly is the product, whether it's a necklace, what is the weight of the necklace, whether it's a finger ring. Then comes your what shape of diamond is used in that specific necklace, what is the estimated weight of the diamond in that specific product, what is the color, what is the clarity. This is the things that you should look for. Wherever you go to buy, you first inquire what is the per carat rate and then inquire what is the color and clarity. Somebody might be charging you just 30,000 rupees for a diamond per carat, but ask them what is the color and clarity that they are charging. Is it EF color or is it something of a GH color? This is one small detail about diamond before you buy them. Now let's come to our collection. Before I come to collection, for any queries, any doubts on diamond purchasing, please WhatsApp our official WhatsApp number on your screen, 720-720-0042. And our diamond experts will help you to understand of buying, purchasing diamond. Before buying anywhere else, if you have any doubt, you can always ask our experts on opinion, suggestions, and we'll surely help you on that. So here's a collection on lovely and designer diamond chokers. All these diamond chokers are made in various EF quality diamonds, enhanced with real rubies and emerald gemstones along with some sequins. This is just a small glimpse of the collection. There are more such varieties based on your environment, whether you want heavy, whether you want lightweight. Our team will assist you once you WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042 and tell us what your requirements are. We will surely support you by providing the right design with the right pricing. Our USP is that we customize anything that you want. You want us to change the stones or the clarity, or you want to remake with a low quality, we can do everything. Let's come to this specific first choker. This choker has a unique combination of rose gold and white gold, the in trend today. A lot of younger generation, the millennial that generation wants to have something fancy. They aspire to wear it with the rose gold is one color that's in trend. The all diamonds in this are your round diamonds. We have also used a fancy shape in this. We have used princes in this, the marquise and the pan shape in this. If you see the center over here, you have princes been used in this collection. Here we have used a pan shape diamond. And in this we have used princess and the marquise. This entire choker is very flexible. It fits perfectly on a neck. Most important diamond jewelry is the craftsmanship. If you see the finish behind it, it's perfectly done. Our karigars take utmost care to ensure that the finishing is up to the mark. The entire choker weighs just 163 grams of net gold. The entire diamond weight also has been reduced from the gross weight. The gross weight of the necklace is 170 grams, and the net weight is 163 grams. The total diamond weight 33 carats is the total diamond weight. And guys, do not believe diamond rates at Jagdamba Pearls for VVS EF quality is just 43,000 rupees per carat. I'm sure you must be shocked with this rate where other jewelers must be charging you 45, 48, 55 or even 75,000 rupees. I would not comment on their pricing structure or their margins, but at Jagdamba Pearl, every item comes with a certificate and an assurity of 95 years old company. This next choker is called a double decker choker. When I say double decker means you have got two layers of stuff in this, completely enhanced with emeralds, and obviously the diamonds are beauty of this. Here also we have used a mix of fancy shapes. You have got marquise, pan, and round diamonds used. As I said, double decker, there's an option to remove this stuff. You can remove this stuff from here. There are screws behind this. If you see the stuff, there are screws over here. You can just open this and remove the top part separately, the down part separately. You can wear them separately. So you have got three ways to wear this. For a smaller gathering, just wear the top part. For a sangeet, you can wear the bottom part, and for a grand marriage function, you can wear the entire stuff together. Or daughter can wear one part, and you can wear one part. If you look at it closely, you will see the different shapes of diamonds used in this. This necklace has a weight of 150 grams and totally about. So guys, I just told you we can have it's a double decker necklace. You can wear separately. So if you have just open that, now you can see this part can come separately out. You can wear this separately for a smaller function, or for a daughter can wear this separately. And this part is a bigger part which can be worn again separately together. So now this as it is a separate choker which can go for your functions, and if you want to go for a grander one, you can club them together. One can be worn by you, one can be worn by a daughter, so you can have two in one, and you can have three ways that you can wear it. You can look at it. If you see behind to it, will be an option for one we open from here, right? This is the place where you open it. I hope I'm clear on that part. Let's go to the next one. Yes. Okay, sorry. Before we go to the next one, this is a matching earring that you can have for any of the necklaces or the chokers with combination of emerald. The stones can be changed. There is no doubt on that. You want rubies to be added in spite of emerald, can be done. The gold weight in this earring is just about 38 grams of gold, and the diamond weight is about 7 carats of diamond. In this also we have used round diamonds, marquise, and the pan shaped diamonds. These are changeable, so we are giving you rubies also along with this. And as I mentioned earlier, all the diamond jewelry is certified by IGI, so that's also rest assured stuff in that. You can wear the earrings separately also or along with stuff. I'll just show you how this can be changed. So here is the screw where you can change the stone over here, and the screw inside here is where you can change the top stone as well. And the entire diamond jewelry is made in 18 karat gold. That also is to be clarified with a lot of people, because nowadays they're also making 14 karat. This one is an 18 karat made. This jewelry is to be admired. This has been designed by one of the best designers in the country. A unique design inspired by flowers. A garden is one of the inspiration for this. You see a lot of motifs of flowers and great bunches in this necklace. The hanging is completely the mesmerizing stuff with emeralds in drop shape have been aligned together with the diamond pinch here and there to give the enhancement look. The entire necklace is being combined with emeralds, rubies, and diamonds. Let's have a close look at it. The weight of this necklace is 145 grams, which is a net gold weight. The gross weight is 185 grams. So after reducing the weight of the stone, this is 145 grams is the gold weight. And the total diamonds in this is 21 carat. So just to give you an approximate pricing for this, the pricing comes to close to about 17.4 lakh rupees will be the pricing for this necklace. Obviously, with Jagdamba, you'll always get a best deal. For that, you have to just WhatsApp on our official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042, and the diamond experts will be there to guide you, help you, and give the best detail and the pricing. We'll also ensure you get a free delivery within India. At the same time, we also deliver globally. There will be slight extra charges for shipping globally, but rest assured, within 7 to 10 days, it will be there at your doorstep. There are matching earrings also for this entire necklace because this designer necklace has to have a matching earring that will complement the look of the design. The earrings are also in the same style. A slightly longer hanging earrings are there. The best part is that you can remove this drop part and just wear the stud separately. If you see from the behind, it's very simple. Just open the screw from behind, just clip this on and remove this part. That's it. So you have a separate completely flower stud to wear separately, and this part to be hanged separately. So if you have a grander function, you can wear this. If you have a normal function, just wear this separately, individually as it is, or combined with this hanging. The earring is also just about 51 grams of gold with about 6 carats of diamond. So if I just go with the price, this earring should cost you about 250 plus approximately 5.5 to 5.7 lakh rupees should be the cost of this earring entirely stuff. Very cool design, very different design. Somebody who has a liking for designer jewelry, very different motif and garden style, this is the piece to go for. You can buy with us. We'll obviously give you the best deal once you contact us. So let's go on to our next elegant choker. This is a complete bridal choker which sits. This is also double decker choker like the previous one. The top part can be worn separately. The down part can be worn separately. The down part is completely filled with diamonds. All these diamonds are all round shape, but the look of the setting is given as a marquise or the palm. That's the beauty of it. The net gold weight in this is 180 grams of 18 carat, and the price approximately comes to close to about 16.7 to 17 lakh rupees is the entire. Sorry, 18.6 to 19 lakh rupees is the price for the entire choker. Sorry, my mistake. These two are the ruby and emerald. These two also are changeable stones. So you can have both the emerald, you can have both the ruby, or you can have vice versa as your choice is there. So you can have multi functions. You can change it and wear it. There are a lot of earring options which you can combine. You must be having a lot of earrings of your own which you can combine with this choker. So for your important occasions, I guess this is one thing that you should not miss out. At Jagdamba, you have got a lot of variety. This is just few options showcasing right now. To see more variety, you can just WhatsApp on official WhatsApp number, or also log on to our website www.jaypurs.com, and our team will assist you. If anything that you want is not desired or is not found on our website or on the WhatsApp, we will ensure that once you give us a requirement, we will fulfill them. We customize any jewelry. You have a design in your mind, just share the design with us. We will give you the same piece as you desired, in fact better, at a price that you have not thought of. You can check with anybody else in the city or in the country, take the quotation and just inquire with us. We will ensure to fulfill you with 100% satisfaction. Let's come to our next collection. Next design, sorry. This is again a choker stuff as the entire range is of choker made. Here also we have complete diamond, and we have fancy shaped diamonds in this. We have got round diamonds, marquise and pan shaped diamonds. You see, this is round shape, and here is the marquise shape and the pan shaped diamond used. The stones in this are not emerald; they are emerald onyx stone. The reason because is that a lot of customers do not want to have real emeralds. You can always change those real emeralds to any other stone that you want to, whether it's emerald or rubies. That changes can be done. It's perfectly fits on your neck. Whether you have a long neck or a short neck, this will perfectly go on the neck that you desire and complement your dresses. You can change this green stone to red stone, blue stone, and I'm sure the liking that you have or the dress that you wear will go perfectly well. I guess you should always have your jewelry first and then your dress later, because this is more that this is the one that completes the look. And I'm sure this is the first thing to be looked at, and the dress will be later part of it. Let's come to another jewelry collection, which is again made with emerald. This is a slightly harem combination. If you see, they're all in this. We have used all natural emeralds of Zambian mines with diamonds. In this, the diamond views are again fancy shape. That is the beauty comes out. You have, and in this, the best part is that there are no round shape diamond used in this. All the diamonds used in this are of marquise shape or pan shape. No round shape diamond used. And the best part is that the net gold in this is just 83 grams. Can you believe it? Just in 83 grams, the entire necklace is made. The approximately costing, I'll just tell you, for this entire necklace comes to about just about 10.5 to 11 lakh rupees. If you just look at, if I just try to hold this in the hand, perfectly fits. Here, it perfectly fits, and you can clearly see the difference in the shape. The moment the fancy shape comes into picture, the look of the entire necklace totally changes. You can have your single solitaire stud or your anything that's an emerald earring can go combination with this. We have got a lot of variety of options in the earrings also. Once you send a WhatsApp, the official WhatsApp number 720-720-0042, we can share a lot of earrings designs for you to choose with this. Let's come to next choker. This choker is very simple, delicate, but very classic. If you see here, there are single pieces of big size diamond used in this. They are not cluster. They are single diamond used in this. This is the beauty of this entire choker. It's very flexible, fits perfectly in your neck, and you have got gem pearls, South Sea pearls on the top and bottom. If I just try to use it over here on a set, you can just see how well it fixes over here. It goes and stands perfectly on a neck. The net gold in this choker is just 52.5 grams of net gold in this. And you won't believe this entire choker with all big size diamond. The pan shape on the top and the bottom are all single pieces. The beauty is killing. The entire choker comes to about 10.5 to 10.75 lakhs. I'm sure once you contact an official WhatsApp number, you will get a better deal and free delivery in India. And rest assured, when you buy with Jagdamba, we have an assurity buyback also, an exchange also. By any chance you do not like it, you want to change it, we are always there, and we give you even on the gemstone that is there, you will get a value on that as well, which other might not get at Jagdamba. You can be rest assured every money that you spend with us will get your returns. When you come to here this side, this beautiful necklace is a killer, because again the use, see, whenever you have any jewelry which has a use of fancy shape of diamond, it gives you a complete different look. In this we have used complete round shape and baguette shape, and baguettes also we have got used different sizes, the big size and the small size. That's where if you see how well the necklace, the diamonds are shining and the look it's coming. Without without this, I'm sure it's not possible. The emeralds are an enhancement to the entire necklace. Emerald basically is one color which is very soothing to eyes. I explained earlier also. This is completely customizable. We can remove emeralds. We can also have rubies in spite of emerald. Let me show you on the neck how it looks. See, on the neck it fits perfectly well. just fixing well on the neck. So as I said, this necklace on the neck will look really classic. 132 gram is just net gold weight in this, and the approximate pricing of this comes about 19.2 to 19.4 lakh rupees. All diamonds are VVS EF quality certified, the best quality of diamonds, emerald from the Zambian mine, so you do not need to worry about the quality of diamonds. Please, if you're from Hyderabad, just visit our store or book a video call with us. We are always there to help you, serve you, and support you. Guys, I hope you like our videos. Please comment us in the comment box to let us know what more should we add, what kind of jewelry should we get, what changes should we do, so that we can keep on coming up with new such videos and help you to get the latest trends in jewelry every time. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe and comment below. Also follow us on Instagram page at Jagdamba Pearl Store and Facebook on Jagdamba Pearl Store. Please visit us, WhatsApp us on our official WhatsApp number on the screen, or log on to the website. Thank you. Have a good day.